Rising from the banks of the mighty Mekong River, Phnom Penh stands as Cambodia's beating heart, a city where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern progress. From its golden pagodas to bustling streets, this is a land of resilience, beauty, and untold stories. But have you ever seen Phnom Penh like this? Today, we take you on an extraordinary aerial journey above Cambodia's dynamic capital, exploring its history, culture, and breathtaking landmarks, all from a bird's-eye view. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to join us on more stunning drone adventures from around the world. Our journey begins with the crown jewel of Phnom Penh, the Royal Palace. A symbol of Cambodia's monarchy, this breathtaking complex has been home to kings since 1866. The palace stands as a testament to Khmer artistry, where mythological figures and celestial designs decorate its sacred halls. Within the palace grounds lies the famous Silver Pagoda, home to Cambodia's most treasured Buddha statues, including the Emerald Buddha and a life-sized Buddha encrusted with diamonds. Segment 2. Wat Phnom, the birthplace of Phnom Penh. Legend tells of a wealthy woman named Pen who discovered sacred Buddha statues in the river and built this temple in their honor. Over 600 years later, her name still echoes through history. Phnom Penh, the Hill of Pen. To this day, Wat Phnom remains a spiritual haven where prayers, incense, and ancient traditions fill the air. No journey through Phnom Penh is complete without experiencing its vibrant markets. The Central Market, with its unique architecture, has been the heartbeat of commerce since the 1930s. Here, locals and tourists alike weave through a maze of stalls, bargaining for everything from handcrafted souvenirs to the finest Cambodian silk. For a taste of history and hidden treasures, the Russian market is the place to be. A labyrinth of stalls selling Khmer sculptures, vintage relics, and some of the best street food in the city. The lifeline of Phnom Penh, the mighty Mekong and Tonle Sap rivers. These waters have nourished Cambodia for centuries, providing trade, transportation, and a way of life. From sunrise to sunset, the riverbanks come alive, fishermen casting their nets, monks walking in quiet meditation, and families gathering to watch the colors of the sky fade into twilight. But Phnom Penh is not just a city of beauty, it is also a city of remembrance. This is Tuol Sleng, also known as S21 Prison, a place that bears witness to Cambodia's darkest chapter. Here, the silence speaks volumes. The killing fields serve as a haunting reminder of the resilience of the Cambodian people, a testament to their strength in overcoming the tragedies of the past. Today, Phnom Penh is evolving. With a booming economy and rapid development, the cityscape is transforming, skyscrapers rising alongside ancient temples, creating a fusion of past and future. This is a city that refuses to be defined by its past alone, embracing progress while honoring tradition. From its sacred temples to its vibrant streets, from its tragic history to its hopeful future, Phnom Penh is a city of contrasts, resilience, and wonder. If you've been inspired by this journey, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more breathtaking drone explorations. What part of Phnom Penh amazed you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering.